seems like they know me. But I'm not going to get aggravated this year. I get so aggravated. My anxiety and depression kick in, and I'm not going to let that happen this year. At least I'm going to try. I'm going to just post these videos as is, just to get something out there. And let me know in the comments if I'm doing something wrong. I've only put less than 3,000 miles on my bobber since I got it, and I've had it over a year. And I just started out in second gear. Duh. But this bike will get up and go. I'm gonna make a light. Yay! Thank you. Okay. I just got a whiff of marijuana. Somebody's smoking. Nice looking Harley beside me. And I'm just going to keep recording because there's a green light. Yay! Hey, the light changed. Yay. First, I'm going to get behind the slowest car in the world. That's where we are. Just letting it go. Ooh, another pot shop. Okay, I think we're going to head it back to the home front. Getting a little tired. My energy level ain't as good as it used to be, especially with this COVID thing going on. But I'm glad Peeler started up after a week sitting there in the cold by herself, all lonely. I'm going to start using this time at the stoplights to actually talk. I need to learn to express myself a little bit better. where you're wanting to go. And usually you'll head that way. And here we are at another stoplight, which I'm beginning not to even mind anymore, because I'm going to try to talk about, I don't know, what I'm feeling, how I'm doing, what I think about life. I'm staying away from politics and religion. I'm going to keep those close to the vest. But I'm going to make 2025 a good year. Definitely going to double my ride, triple it, I hope. Now that I've got thermal underwear, I can ride in the cold. This is awesome. Granted, it's probably 50, which isn't very cold. I know as kids, we used to just scrape ice off the court to play basketball in shorts and t-shirts. Of course, I was 14 then, probably. This has been a very nice ride this morning. Excuse me. Bert the Burper. Oh hell, let's do it. Yeah, baby. This thing will get up and go. I love my motorcycle. Just started reading Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. I think I'm going to reread it. Start over. Make this the year to read. Okay, I think I hit about 70 there. Not breaking the law. Not breaking the law. Just speeding up a little bit. War Games USA. I don't know what that is. Always something new going on in Florida. It is Florida. Boy, it is nice right now. I might make a U-turn and go back that way again just for shits and giggles. has become my enemy. I think I said that already, but I've got a pretty good neck gaiter that I'm not wearing today that I will be wearing tomorrow. My goal is to ride to work tomorrow. Pretty sure I've recharged Bueller's battery with this run. Yep, this bike is saving my sanity. There's no question of that. This is absolutely the very best I've felt in weeks. Thinking about anything else, just the ride. And I don't really want to stop, but I need to call my buddy. He needs his hand today, so, and I'm gonna need to go to the store, so maybe I'll come back out for a bit. I don't know, we'll see. Home stretch. How did I know I was going to get stopped again? But I'm going to take advantage of these moments from now instead of just getting mad like I did last year. Like, it's always me, 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 me. They're all after me. I'm not going to do that this year. I'm going to take these moments to try to express myself. I'm not real good at that, so y'all give me time. Maybe I'll come out of my shell with all this stuff. But, we'll see what happens. We're going to say bye for now. I shall return.